What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to dive into Theta today and basically just break down this bit of market structure that we got here. So I'm currently just on the daily time frame, and as you can see here, what we've got is this major area of support here that we've had once and we've tapped into twice and just tapped into a little bit there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just go onto the 4H time frame. I'm just going to break this down a little bit clearer for you basically. So what you can see here, we'll just get rid of that. We know that we've tapped into the daily support. So what you can see here now is that we've had this downtrend here basically, and I'll just quickly draw this on for you. Just needs to be rough just so you can see that was a downtrend. So this low low, low high, low low, and what you can see here now is this lower low that we put in, we've basically pushed out and broke out of that. We had that little double bottom, and then we had this bullish push up and above that lower high. But you can see has happened there now. We've had this bearish exhaustion phase and we've tapped basically back into this level. Now if this is our higher high, now if this was the downtrend and this is the new uptrend, that was the higher high, so this will be our higher low. And what you can see has happened here, we've tapped into this higher low, and if you were to look on the lower time frame, that'll probably be a double bottom. So have a quick look. Yeah, it's a double bottom basically, and what I'm going to do now is on the 4H, as you can see here, so exact same on that. If this was a downtrend here, like so, like this, just dead quickly and rough, right? If this was a downtrend, this would be the low low, low high, low low. And bear in mind, this is just in a bearish exhaustion phase on the low, so we can still be in an uptrend and have a bearish exhaustion phase, okay? You need to understand that. So if this was the bearish exhaustion phase and this was the lower high of the exhaustion phase, then we're breaking out of that level basically, and then we're going back bullish basically to put in this new higher high. As I mentioned in my veracity video, I think it was, I sort of explained this. So if this is the higher high, higher low, the next higher high is going to be pushing up, and we've got to break out of this level of this. We've got to break out of this to then create the higher high, which could potentially be somewhere up here, and around these levels, because this is our next major area of resistance basically. So all in all, this could be one big bullish uptrend here. I'll be looking for that continuation now, pushing back into this level here, and you might come get we might be faced with a bit of resistance, but what I'll be looking for, as I always look for, is that bullish breakout there. And they'll be looking for my retest levels or something like this, and they'll be looking for then that bullish continuation, then back up to these levels. So then we're creating the new higher high. So high low, high high, high low, high high. Okay. So look, we're violating structure there again. Then we're pushing back bullish. If you understand that, it can be a little bit confusing, but this is your bearish exhaustion phase within this bullish market, because in an uptrend you have to push up to then. And then you have to come back down to then push back up again. You don't just go up in one straight line. You push up, and then you exhaust, and then you push up, and then you exhaust. Okay? And it's a little bit confusing, but once you get your head around it, it's really simple. And all you have to do is understand this basic market structure of basically, your key areas of resistance and support within the market. So we're looking pretty good here. We've had that bullish push up there, and then we've pulled back, and then we've had that bullish push again there. So I'm thinking that we're going to get that continuation back up into these sort of areas. And like I said, we will be faced with a bit of resistance, I think, at this level. But then after that, I think we're in the clear then for a good continuation up. And you could be looking for, what's that? Like 20% move, and if you went even further, 25% move. So you're looking pretty good for Theta. Sorry, all in all, things are looking fairly positive for the crypto market, and things have flipped from looking a little bit bearish to bullish overnight and throughout today. So we'll keep you updated on Theta. Maybe not every day, maybe twice a week or something like that, because I'm going to start reeling off quite a few other cryptos, but I am going to stick to my main ones that people seem to be enjoying. I'm getting good feedback from, so that's basically it. Just looking for this bullish continuation now on Theta, and then for that potential breakout of this area of resistance, and then you retest, and then your continuations back up to them highs. All in all, looking pretty good, and I'll keep you updated on how things sort of pan out. That's it though for now, everyone. Yeah, I'll be releasing some more videos today potentially, but if not, be back tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye bye.